Hello everybody, welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the video. Yeah, number 1266. Today's expression, spell it out. It's a phrase, it's a phrasal verb. It's so good, it's so common. You might understand. Before I get into what it means and how to use it, let's check out a dialogue. I think he likes you.
What? No way. He's just a friend.
Are you blind?
What?
Should I spell it out? He gave you a diamond ring for your birthday. A diamond! Sometimes when we need to explain something, we explain it and we think we've done a good job, but the other person doesn't understand. So we explain it again, they still don't understand. So what do? We spell it out. We go word by word, letter by letter. Do you understand this word? Do you understand this word? Do you understand this word? No? Do you understand this letter? Do you understand this letter? Do you understand this letter? We spell it out. We explain something very clearly and very simply so that anybody can understand. Like in the dialogue, the guy says, I think he likes you. And the woman, it was a woman. The woman says, what? No way. No, he doesn't like me. He's just a friend. He's just a friend. It's like Ross and Rachel. Ross is just a friend. Are you blind? Are you unable to see? Are you blind? Are you what? What? Should I spell it out? Should I explain it very clearly for you? He gave you a diamond ring. We do not say diamond, but we spell it like that, right? A diamond ring, diamond, a diamond ring for your birthday. A diamond. That's expensive. Diamonds are like for engagement rings. It's something you give your wife or a very serious girlfriend. You don't just give a friend a diamond, do you? Would you give a diamond to a friend? You would? I'm your friend. You can send me a diamond. It's a great expression. Should I spell it out? Would you spell it out for me? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Would you spell it out for me? Could you spell it out for me? Let me spell it out for you. Let me explain very clearly, very simply. That's the expression. It's a great expression. If you want to study English and really be good, let me spell it out for you. You need to use it, and you need to use it in an environment where people are watching you. That's what we do. Join our classes. You can try for free. Just put like lessons down below or comment lessons and somehow we'll get lessons to you. The easy thing also, go to my Skool community, skool.com/LME. That's SKOOL.com/LME. Let's Master English LME. Or go to the website, letsmasterenglish.com. I'm Coach Shane. I'm here to help you. And together, let's master English. I think he likes you.
What? No way. He's just a friend.
Are you blind?
What?
Should I spell it out? He gave you a diamond ring for your birthday. A diamond! I think he likes you.
What? No way. He's just a friend.
Are you blind?
What?
Should I spell it out? He gave you a diamond ring for your birthday. A diamond!